What a market is today. Nifty, Bank Nifty, individual stocks have really trapped the whole intraday traders. The moves were very deceiving. Will it continue like this? Yes, it will continue like this. What requires is the patience. Patience to trade, patience to plan, patience to act properly. All these things are very essential for the current scenario. Will there be good results? Excellent results can be seen. What are the announcements? What are the stocks which are going to do further good? One interesting stock that can really worth speaking about is Tata Global. With a particular division being transformed into Tata Global has come into action. The trend is established well today. Hopefully tomorrow also, if Tata Global closes above 200, it can be considered positive. Yes, the important levels for Tata Global stays at 200 and 214. These are the important levels for Tata Global. Going forward, can we see little more positive strength? Looks like maybe we can look at 230, 240 levels going forward. But any dip towards 200, 194 and 214 can be an opportunity to trade on options. Pack up on options, because options are going to be the best thing to trade in such volatility. The risk is also limited, the rewards are unlimited. For a risk of hardly 1000 to 2000 rupees, one can make 5000, 10,000 rupees also profit in such scenarios. Bank Nifty is no less. Bank Nifty has made almost 350, 400 points today totally. So can we expect such moves regularly? Yes, we can expect for the next 10-15 days daily 300 to 400 rupees points. Yes, on particular days it can be even 1000 points going forward. The best thing is working on the options. Don't worry about the direction, worry about the volatility. Yes, the volatility will remain, the opportunities will continue. So it is time to pick up the right option and the right premiums and the right timing. Those who have bought options today in Bank Nifty in the morning, they wouldn't have made big money. But those who have picked up in the second half or in the last minute, they would have made huge money. About 28,800 call today expiry. The low was 60 paisa and the high was 62 rupees. Imagine if you had put about 1000 to 1200 rupees, the profit would have been around 60,000 rupees. But that opportunity stayed for just few seconds. So even if you had wasted the whole day, but if you had bought at 3 o'clock or 3:10 p.m., 28,800 call at 1 rupee, 2 rupee, you would have made easily about 60,000 rupees. You have bought about 100 lots with a risk of hardly 1000 to 2000 rupees. That is how the opportunities will come forward. Don't be in a hurry. Be slow, be careful, focus properly, plan your system properly, design your system properly, design your setup properly. Today, knowledge levels are good in the overall market, overall traders, but opportunities, identifying patiently and acting swiftly and acting properly is what matters. If you plan properly, if you trade properly, understand the momentum properly, I think opportunities are great. As we suggested, second, in the middle of the day, always the sideways movement has been very good. And that sideways movement has been giving at least 10 to 20 point in certain options, especially in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that opportunities will still continue. But when the trending movement takes place, it will do very big. Nifty has moved almost 150 points today again. So as we were indicating, 11,000, 11,200 is a crucial zone. Today Nifty closing is around 11,300 and 11,110, 130 was the low. And that level has been very crucial for almost last few days. And this also has made a double bottom with a trendline break on the Nifty chart. Till Nifty maintains above 11,150 and 200, we are here for a positive move on Nifty further. Where we can go? First important level on the Nifty future is around 11,330, 350 zones. If that crosses, maybe we can move another 100 to 200 points on Nifty. If we cross 11,340, 350 levels, we can see some good positive moves. All those who know technicals, please observe on the hourly chart, it's a W pattern and it is going to be a double bottom. and even the indicators volumes on the future chart is showing good momentum. Yes, if there is a dip, there is an opportunity to buy and look at some options. That can be an opportunity for a low risk and a high reward strategy. Don't worry about stocks which are falling down. Can we invest in Jet Airways? Can we invest in Yes Bank? We don't require any investment right now. We require opportunities. We require the confirmation. We require the clarity. We require the volatility. Better to focus on all those stocks where there is this clarity, not on what will happen if we invest in Yes Bank, what will happen if we invest in Jet Airways. Why are we looking at those things where there is a controversy, where there is a conflict of interest? Better to concentrate on all those stocks where there is clarity, whether it is Indigo, whether it is SpiceJet. That can be a better stocks to look at. The results of SBI is good, the results of Reliance is good. Better to focus on those stocks where the momentum is stable and safe and clear. The more safer stock and the more promising stock can be Cipla. In spite of most of the pharma stocks falling, Cipla has been falling, but they are showing good consistent strength and momentum, and from bottom levels it is pulling back very good. Yes, we can play in options even in Cipla, whether it is out of the money or out of the money call, out of the money put. It can be a good strategy to look at those opportunities and keep trading even in Cipla on a regular basis. Happy trading. Thank you.